Welcome to the heart of South America, where the Amazon rainforest reigns supreme. This is Amapá, one of Brazil's most ecologically preserved states, a sanctuary of biodiversity. Today, we venture deep into Amapá to explore its breathtaking landscapes and unique wildlife. Amapá lies within the Amazon, the world's largest rainforest, teeming with life. This region is a vibrant mosaic of ecosystems, each more diverse than the last. The Amazon River, a lifeline for countless species, winds its way through this lush expanse, nourishing the land and its inhabitants. Imagine a world painted in every shade of green, where the landscape is a living, breathing entity. The forest stretches as far as the eye can see, a seemingly endless sea of verdant hues. Each shade tells a story of growth, survival, and the intricate balance of nature. Here, towering trees form a verdant canopy overhead, their branches interlocking to create a natural roof. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. This canopy is a world unto itself, home to countless species that thrive in its shelter. Life thrives in every nook and cranny, from the smallest insects to the elusive jaguars that prowl the underbrush. The diversity of life here is staggering, with each creature playing a vital role in the ecosystem. The forest is a symphony of life, each note contributing to the harmony of the whole. The air hums with the sounds of the forest, a chorus of buzzing insects and chattering monkeys. The calls of birds echo through the trees, adding to the rich tapestry of sound. This symphony is a constant reminder of the forest's vitality and the interconnectedness of all its inhabitants. The Amazon is a sensory overload, a place where every sight, sound and scent speaks of untamed beauty. The vibrant colors of the landscape, the cacophony of sounds, and the earthy scents of the forest floor all combine to create an experience like no other. It's a place that engages all the senses, drawing you into its embrace. The trees are giants, some over 200 feet tall, providing shelter to countless creatures. These towering giants are the pillars of the forest, their roots anchoring the soil and their branches reaching for the sky. They are a testament to the resilience and strength of nature. The forest floor is a tapestry of fallen leaves, decaying wood, and a myriad of fungi. This layer of the forest is teeming with life as decomposers break down organic matter, returning nutrients to the soil. It's a cycle of life and death, renewal and decay that sustains the forest. The Amazon is a vital organ in the Earth's climate system, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. This process helps regulate the planet's climate, making the Amazon essential not just for the region, but for the entire world. Its preservation is crucial for maintaining the balance of our global ecosystem. Emerging from the dense and vibrant rainforest, we encounter the majestic Tumac Mountains, an ancient and storied range that forms a natural border between the Brazilian state of Amapá and French Guiana. These rugged peaks, often shrouded in a mystical mist, hold an allure that is both captivating and mysterious, drawing the curious and the adventurous alike. Few have ventured into the heart of the Tumac Mountains, their remote and isolated nature making them a challenging destination for even the most seasoned explorers. The inaccessibility of these mountains only adds to their mystique, with rugged terrain that seems almost impenetrable. Dense rainforest covers their slopes, a thick jungle that makes exploration a challenging and often perilous endeavor. The Tumac Mountains are home to indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with this land for centuries, their traditions and knowledge deeply intertwined with the natural world around them. These mountains are also a sanctuary for wildlife, providing a haven for species that are found nowhere else on Earth. The dense forests provide shelter to elusive jaguars, stealthy pumas, and the enigmatic ocelots, each playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. Meanwhile, the canopy above teems with life, from playful monkeys swinging through the trees to a myriad of colorful birds that fill the air with their songs. As we gaze upon these ancient peaks, we are filled with a sense of awe and wonder, a reminder of the enduring beauty and mystery of our natural world. The geological wonders of the Tumac Mountains tell a story of Earth's ancient past, with rock formations that have stood the test of time. Modern explorers and scientists continue to document and study these mountains, uncovering new secrets and deepening our understanding of this remarkable region. As the sun sets over the Tumac, casting a golden light on the peaks, we are reminded of the timeless beauty and enduring mystery that these ancient mountains hold. Our journey takes us along the Jari River, a vital artery through Amapá. Flowing for hundreds of miles, the Jari forms a natural border between Amapá and Pará. The Jari River is a spectacle of nature's artistry, its waters meandering through dense rainforest. Along its banks, life flourishes in abundance, a testament to the river's vital role in this ecosystem. The Jari River is a vital waterway for local communities who depend on it for transportation and fishing. Beneath the surface lies a hidden world, teeming with aquatic life. The river is a breeding ground for numerous fish species, including the giant arapaima. As we journey along the Jari River, we are reminded of the importance of protecting these vital waterways. Amapá stands as a beacon of conservation, protecting our planet's natural heritage. Within its borders lie a network of protected areas, each a sanctuary for biodiversity. One such sanctuary is the Climax Mountains National Park, a vast expanse of pristine rainforest. Another jewel is the Reserva Biológica do Rio Trombetas, protecting a significant portion of the Trombetas River basin. The Parque Estadual da Serra do Navio protects a unique ecosystem characterized by tabletop mountains, known as tepuis. These protected areas are vital carbon sinks, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide. As we explore these areas, we are reminded of the importance of safeguarding our planet's natural heritage. Our journey takes us to Amapá's pristine coastline, where the rainforest meets the Atlantic Ocean. Amapá's coastline is a world of contrasts, where dense mangrove forests fringe the shore. One of the most striking features is Ilha de Santana, a large island off the coast of Macapá. This island is a haven for wildlife. Its beach is a nesting ground for sea turtles. Further north, we encounter Cabo Orange National Park, a vast protected area with diverse ecosystems. Amapá's coastline is a reminder that the Amazon rainforest extends beyond the forest's edge. As we explore Amapá's coastal wonders, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of all living things. Amapá is a symphony of life, a celebration of biodiversity in its most vibrant forms. Nestled in the northern reaches of Brazil, this state is a hidden gem, teeming with life and natural beauty. From the dense, lush rainforests to the winding rivers and streams, Amapá offers a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme. The rainforest canopy is a realm of vibrant colors and intricate patterns. Here the sunlight filters through the leaves, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. Birds of every hue perch in the treetops, their calls echoing through the forest, adding to the symphony of sounds that define this unique ecosystem. Monkeys swing through the branches with effortless grace, their playful antics a testament to the vitality of the forest. Toucans and macaws flit through the foliage, their vibrant plumage a striking contrast against the green backdrop. Each movement, each sound is a reminder of the interconnectedness of life in this thriving habitat. On the forest floor, a different world unfolds, a realm of shadows and silence. Here, the air is thick with the scent of earth and decay as fallen leaves and plants decompose, nourishing the soil. It's a place where the cycle of life and death is evident, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. Leafcutter ants march in long columns, their industriousness a marvel to behold. These tiny creatures play a crucial role in the ecosystem, breaking down plant material and enriching the soil. Meanwhile, agoutis scamper through the undergrowth, their keen senses alert to the presence of predators. Each species, no matter how small, contributes to the delicate balance of life in the rainforest. The rivers and streams are home to a dazzling array of aquatic life, including piranhas and giant river otters. These waterways are the lifeblood of the rainforest, providing sustenance and habitat for countless species. The clear waters teem with fish, their scales glinting in the sunlight, while otters glide gracefully through the currents, a testament to the richness of Amapá's aquatic ecosystems. Amapá is also home to a wealth of plant life, from towering trees to delicate orchids. The trees, some of which are centuries old, stand as silent sentinels, their branches reaching skyward. Orchids, with their intricate blooms, add a touch of elegance to the forest, their beauty a reminder of the diversity and complexity of life in this region. As we explore Amapá's biodiversity, we are reminded that we're just beginning to scratch the surface of what this incredible state has to offer. Researchers and scientists continue to uncover new species and gain a deeper understanding of the intricate web of life that exists here. Amapá is a living laboratory, a place where the wonders of nature are on full display, waiting to be discovered and appreciated. Our journey takes us to the equator, an imaginary line dividing the Earth into hemispheres. In Amapá, the equator is a tangible reality, a place where you can stand with one foot in each hemisphere. The Marco Zero do Ecuador, located just outside Macapá, marks the precise location of the equator. Here, visitors can stand astride the equator, their bodies straddling two hemispheres. The equator is a place of great ecological significance, receiving more direct sunlight than any other part of the Earth. As we stand on the equator, we are reminded of the power of nature and the importance of protecting our planet. Our journey would not be complete without paying tribute to Amapá's indigenous communities. Their deep connection to the natural world and their ancient wisdom make them an integral part of Amapá's rich tapestry of life. Amapá is home to several indigenous groups, each with its own unique language, customs, and traditions. These communities have lived in harmony with the rainforest for generations. Their knowledge of the rainforest is profound, passed down through generations. Indigenous communities have played a vital role in protecting Amapá's environment. However, they face numerous challenges, including deforestation and mining. Supporting indigenous communities is crucial for protecting Amapá's environment and preserving its cultural heritage. As our journey through Amapá draws to a close, we carry with us a profound appreciation for this incredible state. We hope this journey has inspired you to learn more about Amapá and to join us in our efforts to protect this precious corner of our planet. By supporting conservation efforts and respecting indigenous cultures, we can all play a role in ensuring Amapá's natural beauty and biodiversity continue to thrive. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking journeys into the heart of nature.